So as a vlog, this could go horribly wrong. It's very early in the morning at Little Peace Farm, and we need to move some of the sheep into a different field because we haven't had a lot of rain and the grass hasn't really grown. So what we've got to do is start by getting them all into this pen and separate off into the race here the ones that we're going to move. So that's job number one.
Go on, Struggle.
So it didn't go exactly as planned, and I've got a boot full of lambs who are currently peeing in my car, and a trailer with some of the others in. But we eventually got all of them over. I'll show you in a minute. So all's well that ends well, and here they are in the orchard field, getting stuck into all that new grass and nettles.